Hi, I'm Lucretis Coleman, founder of Invarum, the Audit-Grade LLM quality engineering platform. If you've used LLMs in production long enough, you've run into the same problems I have. Outputs look fine at first, then errors start to compound, hallucinations increase, and costs explode. Trying to track the problem means endless guesswork, screenshots, and worst of all, relying on vibes. Vibes are great for drafting, but for metrics, diagnostics, and compliance, that's just asking for trouble. You need certainty, repeatable measurements, clear pass-fail criteria, and a clean audit trail for when someone comes to you to ask you to prove it. That's where Invarum comes in. Let me show you how to get started. Invarum is an audit-ready LLM quality engineering platform. It turns fuzzy model behavior into consistent scores, policy gate decisions, and an evidence bundle you can attach to an incident review. Whether you're debugging a prompt or documenting an incident, Invarum is designed to help your team measure it, fix it, and prove it. There are two ways to use Invarum. There's the web dashboard for deep inspection, traces, diagnostics, evidence, sensitivity reports. And then there's the CLI for automation, CI/CD, regression tests, staying in your normal workflow. Let's start with the dashboard. Let's head over to Invarum.com. When you arrive, you should see an empty dashboard. In order to populate it, first you'll have to sign up. Let's go to Account. And you have the option to sign up by GitHub, Google, or Magic Link. And I'm in. As you can see, I have a populated dashboard with the tests I've been running. But for you, you'll have to first go to Settings in order to power the engine. In Settings, you'll see the LLM Settings box. You'll go to API key, and you'll enter yours from a provider such as OpenRouter, OpenAI, or any other. You can also use a local LLM. All you have to do is provide the base URL, your local host address, and you're ready to go. The default is for OpenRouter, so if you use a provider other than OpenRouter, my suggestion would be to fill the base URL box. Once you've filled in all of the information, just save settings, and you're good to go. You can run tests directly from the dashboard. All you do is click on the New Run button and enter your prompt. But if you're a developer, the real power is the CLI, especially for incident response and CI gating. There are two ways to install the command line interface. You can download the repo directly from GitHub. The link will be in the description. Or you can simply install by pip in your terminal. Now, to connect it to your workspace, you do need to generate a developer access key from settings in your web dashboard. Okay, so we're back in the web dashboard. Click on Settings, and below the LLM Settings box, you should see the Developer Access box. You'll create a key, give it a name, create a key, copy it, and you're good. Now let's go back to our terminal enter Invarum, log in, key, and the key we just copied. Success! The API key is saved locally, and now we can access Invarum from the terminal. Let's run a quick test to show you what you get. Invarum, run, and then your prompt. It's submitting it to the Invarum engine. And voila, we get our response. We get our key metrics, task score, coherence, order, and efficiency. And we also get a policy gate decision. If we go to the dashboard, we should see the same run in our history. Let's go back to the main dashboard. And that run is already there, logged, traced, ready for inspection. And that's it. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to use these metrics and diagnostics to fix a prompt or agentic outputs. I'll also show you how to export evident bundles for internal incident review. Links are in the description. Drop a comment with your workflow or pain points. I'll tailor upcoming demos accordingly. Once again, I'm Lucretius Coleman, and this is Invarum. Audit-Ready LLM Quality Engineering.